This morning, a lightning bolt from the first round of storms that may have started a fire filled a downtown apartment building with smoke. Kyler Berge is live at Wisconsin Avenue downtown, and people are really lucky, Kyler, they got out in time.
Yeah, this was a situation that escalated pretty quickly. We're talking about the apartment building there right above the Grand Avenue Mall. You can see fire investigators, We Energies crews on scene right now. Residents say at the time the smoke was intense, but everyone made it out. According to firefighters, smoke poured out of the building. It's a basement, quickly reaching several other floors. The fire was contained to that basement. That's why you don't see any flames. But the smoke and the threat of fire spreading caused firefighters to evacuate the entire building, which is more than 100 people. From the video, you can see residents needed oxygen for several minutes after getting out. Some of them needed that. And firefighters sent 5 to the hospital. Firefighters are pretty certain lightning is to blame for initially starting the fire. And with smoke starting to pour into their apartments, residents tried to get out as fast as they could.
Most people got a lot of smoke inhalation inside of them, and a lot of elderly people we have in the building, but they're all right though.
I was watching Letterman, and all of a sudden everything went goofy, and they had to get out. Can't use the elevator, so you got to walk the steps, and I can't walk right, so I was kind of stuck up there.
And sprinklers and fire alarms did go off inside the building. And again, even though more than 10 people were treated for smoke inhalation, the sentiment among many of those residents is that it certainly could have been much worse. Live at 3rd and Wisconsin, Kyler Berge, WISN 12 News.